Call it a summer ritual or a family get-together. Making mangori is a family tradition in North Indian households like no other. Try this recipe of mangori aloo curry and you will know why. To make the mangori, I am taking half cup of soaked yellow moong dal. The dal was soaked for 4 hours. Alternatively, you can soak it in hot water for 2 hours. We are grinding it into a smooth paste without using any water. Let's check. The batter is ready. Into the batter, I am adding half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix the spices and whisk this well to aerate the batter. This is important to do or else the mangoris will become hard once dried. After whisking, drop some batter in water. If it floats, your batter is ready. Now comes the fun part. On a greased plate, drop a little batter to make small mangoris. To me, this process is quite therapeutic. My childhood memories take me back to the time when I helped my mom dropping these mangoris, enjoying it as a traditional summer affair. This recipe truly makes me nostalgic. Time to dry it in the summer sun. Let it dry for 3 to 4 summer afternoons completely, making sure the bottom side has dried too. Once the mangoris have dried, you can store them in an airtight container and use them year-round to make curry, pulao or curry, which I am going to show you now. I am taking around 3 tablespoons of oil to heat in a cooker on low flame. Here goes half a cup of dried mangoris to fry. We are shallow frying it until it turns golden brown and starts emitting a nice aroma which I can smell now. Let's take this out. In the same oil, I am adding 2 chopped potatoes. Let's fry this a little. Time to take this out. To the remaining heated oil, I am adding 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, quarter teaspoon hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 inch ginger grated, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Give this a stir. Next, add in 1 tomato chopped and let's saute this. I'm adding half cup of tomato puree. This gives a nice body to the curry. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Stir this in. Add the fried potatoes to this and the fried mangoris. With this goes in half cup of green peas, half teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per taste. Stir everything together and add 2 cups of water. Close the lid and let this cook on high flame for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, Put the flame on low and let this cook for 5 more minutes. Time to check. Our mangori aloo curry is ready. Let's serve it. Garnish with coriander leaves. Serve it with rice or roti and enjoy the taste of traditional Indian cooking. After all, it's the flavors of the past that enrich the moment of the present, isn't it? Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.